Stop paying monthly fees for cloud storage. That old computer gathering dust in your closet is actually a powerhouse waiting to be unleashed. Today, we are going to wipe it, install Ubuntu Server, and build a foundation for your own private self-hosted cloud. Ubuntu Server is the gold standard for home labs. It is stable, free, and runs everything from Nextcloud to Jellyfin, without the bloat of graphical interface. It might look intimidating, but I promise you it is easier than installing Windows. I will walk you through every single step, from downloading the OS to your first command. For this you will need two things. First, you will need an old PC. I got this Intel NUC from eBay for about $50. You will also need a USB stick and stable internet connection. So without taking much of your time, let's get into it. First thing to do is to download the ISO of Ubuntu. So go to ubuntu.com, download Ubuntu Server and get Ubuntu Server. Now click on download LTS version. And it's downloading now. And while it's downloading, go to balena.io, click on products and select Balena Etcher. And download this beautiful tool. Select your OS. I'm on Linux, so I'm gonna install the app image. Click on download. And it's downloading now. This tool will help us to flash Ubuntu on the USB drive. And now both files are downloaded. So let's open Balena Etcher first. Select flash from file. And select the ISO file of Ubuntu. Here you can select your USB drive and click on flash.
A few moments later.
And it's done. So let's close Balena Etcher. And Ubuntu is now installed on this small USB drive. So you have to insert it to your new server. Now turn it on and immediately start tapping your boot menu key. It is usually F12, delete or F2 depending on your brand. You want to tell your computer to boot from the USB stick, not the internal hard drive. So this is it for me. And click on enter. Click on try or install Ubuntu Server. Select your language and your keyboard layout. Here you can select if you want to install the normal Ubuntu Server or the minimal one. I will go with the standard one, so click on done. Here it's telling you it got this IP address from the DHCP server, so click on done. You are probably not using proxy, so click on done. Alright, now for the important step. Here you can select which disk will be used to install Ubuntu on it. And as you can see, the 240GB one is selected, so this is the right one for me. So I'm gonna click on done. And done one more time. And it's telling me all data on the disk will be deleted. It's already empty, so I'm gonna select continue. And create your user. So my name today is John. And I'm gonna call my server something like clip. Why not? My username is John also. And create a secure password. And select done. Here you can select if you want to use Ubuntu Pro to get updates faster. I don't need this, so I'm gonna click on continue. I'm gonna select install OpenSSH server because this is actually going to be a server without display. So with SSH I can access it from any device on my network. So select install and done. I don't need any snap packages, so click on done. And it's done, so click on reboot now. Remove the USB stick and click on enter. And the boot is installed. So after a reboot you have to find the IP address of your server. Then you have to go to your router and make this a static IP address. Because if you didn't, the server will get a new IP address after a reboot. So let's log in. The username was John. And the password. As you can see, after a login it automatically showed me the IP address. So it is 10.23.12.127. So let's go to the router. First you have to find out the IP address of your home router. So open up your terminal. If you are on Windows, you have to write trace rt 9.9.9.9. But I'm on Linux, so I will use trace route. And the first entry you see is the IP address of your home router. So let's copy this and log in. Depending on your home router, the web UI won't look the same, but with some Google you will find your settings. For me it's under services, DHCP v4 and leases. And here it is. As you can see, this is the IP address and the host name. So I'm going to click on plus and give it the same IP address it has now. Scroll down and hit save. And that's it. Now I will open terminal and connect to the server using SSH. So open the terminal, SSH, the username, Add the IP address. Yes, I trust my server. And enter the password. And that's it. So first thing we do always on a Linux system is to install update. So type sudo apt update, sudo apt full upgrade, yes. And enter your password. And your system is up to date. If you wanted to install updates automatically, you can install the package called unattended upgrades. So let's do this. Type sudo apt install unattended upgrades. And it's already installed, so let's see if it's running already. Type sudo systemctl status unattended upgrades. Here it's telling you it is active, which means it is running now, and it is enabled. Enabled means it will start with the system always. And that's it. Your powerful headless Linux foundation is ready. Now for the fun part. Next week, we are gonna install Kazaa OS on it. If you run into any problem while installing Ubuntu, make sure to drop a comment and I will help you out. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment. This is Libre-Data, and we are just getting started. See you in the next time.